All right, so we're gonna go with the yellow side. This is step 8, but careful. Just follow this algorithm. The last step is always the hardest step, and if you make a mistake here, you're gonna have to go back and do everything back from the beginning. So be careful. Here we go. Okay, so now we're gonna turn this way. It's gonna look all messed up. Just repeat the same algorithm and follow the instructions. Do this again. And now you're finished. That's it. It's all solved. Thank God.